Hello. Actual costing with material ledger is one of the most important and very highly searched topic in the costing fraternity. So let's understand about this actual costing with material ledger scenario. So directly, I'll jump to the point of the actual costing. So actual costing is basically a extension of the product costing module, where in the process we are getting the variances and we are calculating the actual cost. So now, based on this table, let us understand how the processes are looking like, or the steps are there before the actual costing run. So let me tell you, this tables is basically showing the product opening stock, revaluation of that product, and the standard price, that is 150. The production we are doing here, let's say 250 quantity we are producing. So the cumulative quantity is 1200 plus 250 is 1450. The amount what you can see here, 217,500, is showing the standard cost of the particular amount. And this is what the variances we are capturing as a part of the product cost. That is the 4,500 and 1,500 as revaluation. Now, if I take this total 6,000 plus 217,500 and divide it by 1450, then I am getting a actual cost that is 154.13. So in nutshell, this is a mathematical actual cost, and this mathematical actual cost system calculate for the purpose of calculating the system based actual cost as well. So it is very simple. Now, these are the consumption data where the 450 quantities are sold, 200 quantities are transferred to the next plant or next process, and 800 quantities are remain in the closing stock. So this, before actual costing run, these all quantities are getting valued with the standard cost, that is 154. But at the same time, my calculated actual cost is 154. So now let's go. After actual costing run, you can see system has calculated that process and things, and this is where we can see this after actual costing run, the entire things are getting revalued. Now, this accounting entries which we can see from the system is, this is the accounting entry. Let's say first accounting entries is ML price difference to ML price difference for transfer the difference to the next level. For valuation of the closing stock, the accounting entry would be inventory account debit to ML price difference. And for the revaluation of cost of goods sold, the accounting entry would be cost of goods sold account debit to ML price difference. And the breakup of the costs are also there, and which are getting debited. And in account based COPA with material ledger, you can see the breakup will flow to the COPA as well as to the accounts. Now, this, let's say, is getting posted in the previous month. Now, at the same time, system pass another entry in the next month and reverse the impact of the inventory valuations. It is posted on the first day of the current period, that is next period. And this all entries are getting posted automatically. So let us see, this is the result of the actual costing. You can see this particular product, and this is the standard price, and this is the actual price, and these are the accounting documents generated out of the actual costing run. Now let us see the accounting document. So this accounting document posted in the previous period, okay, the date you can see 31st March 2025. That same inventory portion have been reversed in 1st April 2025 related to the inventory. Here you can see the inventory is debited, and here inventory is credited for finished goods, and here the SFG inventory 3029 is credited, here it is debited. So effectively the inventory portions are reversed, and the COGS portions are splitted up into the different component of the cost component and the COGS element. So here you can see the COGS is 19577, here 19577, broken down into different components. So this is what the benefit and power of actual costing, wherein we get the total breakup of the cost of goods sold in terms of the actual cost component split. Inventories are also getting revaluated, and we have a facility to basically reinstate the inventory for the next period as well. So these all things are automatic and entries are getting posted with the actual costing run.